Use keywords. Now, this one, ito talaga ang game changer. Most applicants think na recruiter agad ang nagbabasa ng resume nila. But the truth is, computer muna. It's called Applicant Tracking System or ATS. Before makarating sa recruiter, dadaan muna ang resume mo sa system na nagfi-filter. So parang ganito yan. If the company is looking for customer service, cash handling, POS system, the system will scan resume and look for those exact words. Now, here's the problem. Kung ang nilagay mo sa resume mo is helping customers instead of customer service, hindi ka makikita ng system. Even if same meaning, hindi ka pa rin papasa. So what should you do? Match the keywords from the job posting. Example, if the job post says, we are looking for someone with strong customer service skills, experience in fast-paced environment, ability to handle cash transaction, dapat sa resume mo, makikita din yung customer service, fast-paced environment, and cash handling. Same wording. Think of it like this. The job post is the answer key. Your resume should match it.